Hey guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Boracay. And if you have plans to go here, I have a good news for you dahil this time, hindi na kayo mag-spend ng 30 to 45 minutes dun sa port just to settle yung environmental fee and other fees para lang makapunta dito. Because Boracay has its automated ticketing system. It's called letsgo.ph. All you have to do is to go to this link and register all of your travel details and you're good to go. And now, I'm gonna show you how to register dun sa letsgo.ph. All you have to do again is to go to this link, boracay.letsgo.ph, and then all you have to do is to click yung I am a tourist, and then papakita sa inyo yung mga instructions. So first, ang gagawin ninyo is to fill out all of your travel information, and once done, you need to upload your ID, or pwede rin naman mag-manual kayo para ma-input ninyo yung inyong details dito. Sa app na to guys, you have two options. Pwede nyo bayaran yung environmental fee and other fees dito na mismo sa app using your credit card or debit card or even GCash, pwede dito. Or pwede rin naman doon na mismo sa port ninyo bayaran. Paano kung hindi ko na-register yung travel details ko doon sa link? Ano pong mangyayari? Guys, kung hindi po kayo nakapag-register ng travel details ninyo doon sa link prior going here in Boracay, gagawin nyo po yan doon mismo sa port. Meron dong area kung saan magma-manual input kayo ng lahat ng information ninyo, and doon na rin kayo mismo magsisettle ng payment ninyo ng environmental fee and other fees. So guys, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next one. Happy travel and enjoy Boracay. Bye!